Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel, and today we are doing a summer bar cart before we restyle it for the fall. So make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button. Thank you, and let's jump right into the video.
Okay, so right here I have a vase that I DIY'd from the Dollar Tree, just with spray paint. I spray painted the base of it, and I put the vase fillers in there. The vase fillers are from Dollar Mart, I believe. The flowers are from 99 cent only store. Um, right here I actually have this bottle. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, from Hobby Lobby for $3. This candy jar I just filled with Skittles and lemon heads. I believe I got this from Home Goods. I'm not sure. I think I took the price off of it. This pineapple, I believe I got it from Burlington's for $5.99. Then right here, I have this glass with the bling on it. This came from, I believe, Burlington's, and it was on sale. Yeah, so that was $2.99 on sale at Burlington's. I think I got that sometime last year. So right here I have this glass that I added. It's from Ross, I believe. I took the sticker off of it, so I'm not sure how much that was. Then these coasters right here, I got these from Ross. They were $4.99. Just cute little Glam, shimmery little coasters. So pretty. And I use those just for different seasons. They're pretty neutral and go with a lot of the bling stuff that I have. And these little candle holders, I believe I got both of these from Dollar Tree, and I just put these little tea light electric candles in them. I have two of those on there. This little candle, this is actually a candle in here. I believe I got this from Burlington's as well. Yeah, $7.99. I got that sometime last year, and it has the little bling also on the top. And then these little napkins, I probably just got those from like Dollar Tree or somewhere like that. So that's the top. How I have everything laid out on the top. So now I'm just moving on to the bottom. I'm gonna start right here on the left. Little kit, and then I DIY'd this as well. I actually put bling around it. This little thing I just have sitting in lemons, sitting with the lemons in it just for decoration. This little silver thing is from Dollar Tree. I got this sometime around like Christmas time when they put out the things like that, and then just set the little lemons in it. And then I just have like the little sparkling cocktail and some Moscato, and then this little Cosmo juice that I put on there to make Cosmos. These little glasses, they're just plastic little glasses I just put on there for decoration. I got those, I believe, at Dollar General, and these were like 10 cents a piece. I got them when they were on sale on clearance. This bottle, I believe I got from Home Goods, and then I just added this little bling little bottle stopper. I think I got that bottle stopper from Ross as well. And then I DIY'd these little shot glasses. I put the little bling. I think that bling wrap is from Dollar Tree. So I just did 2 of those little glasses and put the bling on them. This little box, I usually like use to put stuff that I'm not using at the time. And I think this was 50% off at the at-home store. And I just put things in there like napkins, extra bottle stoppers, and things like that. And then this little flower I just added for decoration. That actually came off the top of a cake. The Barcart itself, I actually got from Ross. A good deal for, I think, $50 at Ross. It was on sale at Ross. I will be redoing my Barcart for the fall. So look out for that.
Okay guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell to be notified when we do our fall bar card and we do our coffee station Glam remakeover. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.